Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change app icon on your Samsung phone. So guys, first of all, open your settings application on your phone. Then you're going to tap on the themes option, this one. Then since we want to change the app icon, we can select the icon option, this one. Tap on the icons option. Then you can tap on this top option. Okay, and right here there are a lot of icons that you can apply to your phone. And to make your phone look aesthetic and cuter, I suggest you to select this icon, but it depends on your preference actually. And I'm just going to select this one because I think it looks cute and aesthetic. So we can just tap on the icon that we like, and then we can click on download before we apply this icon to our phone. Then you have to wait until the process has completed. Then after the icon has been downloaded, you can tap on apply. Then wait for a moment. Alright guys, and now the icon has been changed, as you can see. Then this is how it looks. And I think it looks cuter and more aesthetic. Alright guys, and that's how we can change app icon on the Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.